Hello crypto enthusiasts, this has been a long time coming. I was supposed to create this video a long time ago, but I've been kind of busy with other tasks back then, but I'm going to create this video right now. And this video is going to be talking about how to create a security cycle in Delta Network or Delta Coin. Okay, how to create or join a security cycle in Delta Coin. And this is really easy, right? All you just have to do right now is to click on security cycle. As you can see, the interface is new, and that is because Delta Coin just released a new update with a change of interface. Right, in the coming days I'm going to be explaining a couple of things to you about this very new update and how you can earn other cryptocurrency on this very app. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I drop that very update. So once you click on security cycle right now, what you have to do to add people to your security cycle is to click on add manually. Right, you can see I just added this guy right here, and you have to make sure that people you add are people you trust. Right, so if you click on this very section that says how does the security cycle work, you're literally going to see everything you need to know about the security cycle right here. Right now, this would help boost your points, the points you mine. Right, so it is very important you join or add people to your security cycle. So this is it. I'm going to click on add manually right now, and this is going to ask you to enter the country of the person and their mobile phone number. Right, and the phone number you're going to be entering is the Delta Coin registered phone number and country of origin. Right, so you're meant to get information from the person, and it has to be someone you at least trust to a certain level. Right, it's best to do it with the family, but also friends we trust to a certain level. Right, because they say that this would help recover your accounts. So you have to click on this very country or region right now and change the country if the country does not correspond with that of the person you want to add. Right, so for me this corresponds, so I'm just going to go ahead right now and paste the number of the person right here. Right, this is the mobile phone number, and I'm just going to clear the 234 at the beginning because the country code is already here. So this is it right now, and then I'm going to enter the appellation. Now the appellation is like what you can remember the person with. Right, a simple identification that you can use to remember this very person. It's best to add the person's name because this is what we mostly remember people with. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in this person's name right now. So yes, once you type in the person's name, you can now go ahead and click on this very submit button at the bottom of your screen right here. And once you do, you have to authenticate this with your fingerprint. Depending on the security settings you use, if you use fingerprint during the registration process, of course you'll be asked to enter your fingerprint, and if you used your phone pattern, you'll be asked to use your phone pattern. Right, just for the system to know that you are actually the one doing this. So I just entered my fingerprint right there, and you can see it is queried. So once this is successful, you get to see a message that looks exactly like this, which says it is successful. And if this user successfully joined, you're going to see their name right here showing that they actually joined this very security cycle. And this is basically how this works. This is how you join the security cycle on Delta Network. I hope with this video you now understand how this works. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section, and I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as I can. Like I said, subscribe because more video updates will be coming soon, so you don't miss out on that. Lastly, if you haven't joined Delta Network, then I'll suggest you use the link in the video description and in the pinned comment. So hop in right now before it's too late. You're still early. Just about 500,000 people have joined this very mining project, so you are still very early. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.